Welcome. Today I'll be discussing Best Windows 11 Books 2023 book review, okay? Which you need to purchase and read to equip yourself more on Windows 11 task. I have read these books and I have understood them, and they are all great books. So you can do well to purchase them. I have the link to these books in the comments below. Okay. Also, I have over 50 videos on Windows 11 on this channel. So I feel it's something nice if you should get a material that will teach you everything. So we'll be taking these books one after the other. The first among them is Windows 11 for Beginners 2023, a fully illustrated mastery user guide and Windows 11 operating system Bible with up-to-date information written by Caspar B. Langman. Actually, this book is a great one because it has updated information. If you can see on this screen, the book was published on April 21, 2023. So it integrates a lot of new updates on Windows 11. Okay, so you can take your time and click the link on the comment section below and get this book if you want to know more about Windows 11. Okay, I observed something here. This has ratings of 2.0. The truth is this, on Amazon, there are so many competitors. There may be some persons that have the same book on Windows 11, similar books, and they are competitors. So there are toxic people in every platform. So they can leave negative review on the book just for people to prefer their own. Some of these guys sometimes even pay people to go and give them positive review. So I have read this book and I think you need it if you want to know more on Windows 11. So buy it, read it, and then give your own positive review on Amazon. Okay? So let's just get inside to see the contents of this book. All right, you can see how the cover looks. It's a great design. So let's get to the context section. You can see copyright context. Chapter 1 is Introduction to Windows 11 Operating System. It covers upgrading your computer to Windows 11 OS, the Windows 11 taskbar section, and apps pinned on it. Understanding the taskbar area of Windows 11, how to pin apps to the taskbar. The system tray explained, the Microsoft Store, a lot. Then chapter 2 talks about apps, taskbar customization, and Bluetooth or Windows 11. Okay, we have channels to install application on Windows 11, how to get to installed apps on Windows 11. Chapter 3 is on File Explorer, Windows updates, and user accounts on Windows 11. So it has a lot of subheadings you can read down, so a lot. Chapter 4 talks about other tasks on Windows 11 and settings app, which includes shutdown, restart, and sleep. How to take screenshots on Windows 11. Taking screenshots with print screen key. How to take screenshots with snipping tool. So a lot is covered. Chapter 5 is learning more on Windows 11 settings. Then chapter 6 is on changing Windows 11 configuration through settings. Chapter 7 is on Microsoft Edge browser for beginners. Okay, so it's a great one. So you can get this book and read more about Windows 11. I have read it before, as I said, and it's a nice material. So let's get to the second book on Windows 11 you may be needing. Okay, the second book on Windows 11 you may be needing is Computers for Beginners and Seniors Windows 11 Edition, a user guide on use of computer, features and functions, and how to complete specific tasks with illustrations. Published on October 4, 2022, is still a recent work by Smart Anderson. Okay, this has an average rating of 4.0. All right, so the paperback sells at $12.99, so it's still affordable, just like the first one. So let's get inside the book and see what is contained as the content. Okay. All right, under the context section, we have introduction to computer, signing up your computer for the first time, the basic icons and taskbar of a Windows 11. One thing I noticed about this book is just that it doesn't just discuss only on Windows 11. It talks about how you can operate your computer, how can you use keyboard in general. All right. So chapter 2 says having practical experience in Microsoft Store, how to connect your computer to internet, connecting your computer to internet using modem, connecting your PC to internet through Wi-Fi. So a lot is covered in chapter 2. Chapter 3 says the File Explorer, personalization, and the internet. So it talks more on the internet on the chapter 3 of these books. Talk about pinning folders on the quick access, how to change the theme of your computer, turning on night lights on computer. Okay, so let's move to chapter 4, emails, videos, and the system. Talks about creating email addresses, how to create Gmail, how to add profile picture on your Gmail account, the Microsoft Outlook email service. Chapter 5 covers about social media, file sharing, and security. Okay, chapter 6 is on Microsoft Word. You can see this now, instead of you maybe you want to know more about Microsoft Word, which is one of the major applications on Microsoft Suite. Okay, Microsoft 365 Suite. This book covers it in detail. So it's not just about Windows 11. It has some components that can help you be a good user of a computer. All right, so that is it. All right, so these two books are the two books I can recommend to you to read on Windows 11. They have a lot of information to offer you, especially the first one is specifically on Windows 11. But if you still need maybe additional one to read, which will just not teach you, which will not just teach you on Windows 11, but also cover some things about how to use computer in general, then you can go for this book. Let it open. Okay, this book is still nice. Computer for Beginners and Seniors, a user guide on how to become an expert in computer with illustrations. Actually, this is not just on Windows 11, just like the previous one I just finished discussing. It covers how to use computer, including Microsoft Word and Excel. But the main thing is the first one I talked about, which is Windows 11 for Beginners 2023, is strictly on Windows 11. After that, if you need more, you can go for this one, Windows 11 for Beginners and Seniors, Windows 11 edition. All these books are great. So do well to get any of them, or if possible, if you have the money, they're all cheap to get. Okay, they are all affordable. Let me not use the word cheap. So they are all affordable. So you can get any of them and read them and then master how to use Windows 11. I hope this helps. Please, if it does, hit the like button and don't forget the link to these books are on the comment section. So click on any of them, you'll be taken to Amazon to make your purchase. No matter where you are, the book can be shipped to your location. All right. So, also, if you are now visiting my channel for the first time, please do want to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. See you next time.